What's a delicious cheap meal that you love eating? Motherfucking sweet potatoes, just salt and butter. Mine is ramen with a bit of sriracha, pita bread, pizza sauce, cheese, cheap-ass personal pizza. Edit. Around 400 F in toaster oven for 10 to 15 minutes. As with life, the more cheese the better. I like adding other cheeses plus garlic powder, crushed red pepper to the base of sauce and mozzarella. Let it stand for several minutes before eating. The sauce is a lava hot. Useful tip: simmer canned tomatoes for a little while optionally with some herbs and butter and you'll be much better sauce. And a can of tomatoes is only like 40 cents. Homemade fried rice. Eggs are like $4. A huge thing of rice is maybe $2 and frozen steamable veggies are $1 - 2. Altogether you can make a decent fried rice imitation for the equivalent of $3 per serving or so. Peanut butter and jam sandwich. It's the best because you can level it up in so many ways. Raspberry jam? Yup. Crunchy peanut butter? Yes please. Fancy bread? Say no more. And a big glass of cold milk. Grilling it just like making a grilled cheese sandwich kicks it up 10 notches. Grilled cheese. Have you tried grilled ham and cheese? With a bit of mayo on the bread? I like that. My go-to melt sandwich. Put mayo and mustard on the insides of the bread. Smear the bread slices together to spread them around for peak laziness. 1 slice of cheese. 1 slice of ham. 1 slice of turkey inside. If I'm feeling rich, put a row of pickles and maybe some small diced onions up in the middle. Toast in a pan with butter on the outside of the bread. Or mayo instead of the butter if I'm feeling invincible. Beer to wash it down is optional but highly recommended. Probably not actually that cheap, but really filling and delicious. If you have a true, unadulterated love of garlic, aglio e olio *. Super simple pasta dish. Spaghetti, olive oil, tons of fried garlic and shredded Parmigiano Reggiano. Some red pepper if you want a little heat. Super cheap, super simple, and drop-dead delicious. Eggs. I second this. I will eat them anyway but boiled. I typically eat 3 to 6 eggs daily. Spaghetti with meat sauce, a fried egg, rice, and a bit of soy sauce. Okay, I may have been drunk when I thought of it, but still good. That could be a great combo. I'd add sriracha on it because I love sriracha. A classic Irish delicacy that I grew up eating. Plain spuds, salt and butter, mashed, microwaved, oiled, baked. It's all tasty, especially with amazing Irish butter. Plus you can have fried spuds or potato gratin with leftovers. The boiled potatoes hot are kinda meh for me, but by God put those motherfuckers in the fridge for a day. Add salt and pepper and eat cold. Holy shit. Best thing about Christmas dinner being in summer is the Boxing Day spuds. That and cold ham this year. I can make quesadillas for 10 people for less than £5. Does help that I have a great hot sauce selection and a good non-stick pan, but that's my go-to. Gumbo. A good chicken and sausage gumbo costs like $30 - 40 to make 5 gallons, which, at 1 cup per serving, works out to like 50 cents each. But let's be real, I'm eating more than a cup at a time. You can freeze it and have gumbo year-round. And rice is cheap as hell. $30 - 40. I've made enough sausage and chicken gumbo to feed 200 people and still had leftovers for that much. I love gumbo, by the way. My cost factored in everything, though. If you've already got all the spices, the flour, and the fat, then you'll spend less just buying the meat and veggies. I'm sure it also depends on where you are. Where I'm at, I'm paying probably $5 - 6 per pound for decent andouille. I can get different sausage, even cheaper andouille, for less. But the extra cost is worth it for me. I'm a child, everything is free to me. But I'd say ramen. I make it all the time. Rice, beans, egg, but only when I am not up to fried rice. Also pancakes are quite cheap. We called it goop as kids. My dad's go-to dinner when mom was on evening shift. Make noodles. Dump in a can of cream of mushroom soup and a can of tuna. Add some frozen veggies. Peas are best, lots of pepper. Total comfort food for me. That's tuna casserole if you bake it. No, it's not good that way. Minus the tuna. Sub leftover diced chicken or pork chops. In my house this was referred to as Dad's famous hippie combo. Cereal with bananas. Fried egg bagel. Meatloaf with mashed potatoes, roasted Brussels sprouts, and cornbread. Hot dogs or brats. Off the grill or over a fire. Throw in some cheap almost water beer and you got yourself a good night. Bacon sandwich baby. Quesadillas on the stove with Mexican blend cheese and shredded lettuce. Corn dogs. Eggs. My chicken make them for free. Nora noodles masala flavor. Being single, this post is fantastic. Married people are broken hungry too. Tuna, sweet relish, red pepper, black pepper, salt, boiled egg, chia seeds, and Ritz crackers. This guy knows what he's talking about. I basically lived off of tuna and crackers for a long time. I didn't mind. Grilled cheese with caramelized onions. Trash browns. Onions, carrots, greens and potatoes and spices slow fried. This sounds fab. Recipe please? Mac and cheese with tuna. Usually costs less than $2. This South Indian dish called Mysore bhaji. What about idli? Idli is good but nothing beats the taste of Mysore bhaji. I need to try that. You definitely should. Pretzel chips and very spicy hummus. What do you like to spice with? Pasta alla carbonara. 1/2 box spaghetti noodles. $0.75. An egg. $0.10. Parmesan cheese. Grated. $1 to 2. 3 strips bacon. 'Cause you're too broke for pancetta. $2. Or 1/3 of one of those cheap ham slices because you're too broke for bacon. $1. And a bit of pepper. Feeds too broke. Hungry college students for $3 minus 5 total. I still make this about every other week. Now using decent quality bacon. Just can't be bothered on the pancetta. And decent quality parmesan. But even then it's still really inexpensive. It's a good meal that can be made quickly if you're running late. But it's also just really tasty. One of the first meals I actually put effort in to learn to cook. Had it once or twice a week, for like 2 months straight until I felt like I got the feel for getting the egg to just the right texture. Don't forget fresh garlic. Drop it in the bacon grease for 30 seconds. The smell alone will make you feel like a real chef. I buy the cheapest frozen pizzas and a pack of shredded pizza blend cheese and a thing of pepperoni and some barbecue sauce and onion, peppers, tomato, whatever you feel like. Obviously added all the frozen pizza. It works out much cheaper and tastes better. Annie's white cheddar and shells. Add an egg yolk in with the sauce. Top with copious amounts of cracked black pepper. If you feel like splurging, add in a can of drained chunk tuna. Grated parmesan. And pinch of garlic powder to the sauce. Do not add that if hanging out in close proximity to partners crushes. Ramen. Definitely. Quick, simple and delicious. I love Hi Monsieur. Microwavable sausage and mash. You mean a sausage in the mouth? Depends if you say no homo after. What about a banger in the mouth? Sure. Not bad. Gotta have the gravy smiley face. Soft boil an egg. Cook and cut whatever veggies are lying around. And then prepare your ramen without using the packet yet. When the noodles are slightly al dente, strain out the water and stir in half of the seasoning packet. Put the noodles in a bowl. Top with a slice of American cheese, the soft-boiled egg that's been halved, and your veggies. If you want, you can lightly sprinkle the remaining seasoning over the prepared meal. I like mine with a bit of the Korean red paste stuff. Onion, garlic, ramen noodles, beef broth. Ooh, that sounds good. Bread and spreads. Grilled cheese sandwich. Spaghetti plus sauce. Any mincemeat is a bonus. Eggs, you can have them scrambled, oiled, fried, or the all-time classic, ramen. are 2-minute noodles, rice, veggies and tofu. Pizza. My comfort food as a child was soft-boiled eggs on toast. Mom would make it for us when we were sick, but recovering enough to try real food. I've never gotten the hang of making it right though. Dirt cheap and yummy though. A couple of eggs, a couple slices of toast and a bit of butter. Soft-boiled egg and soldiers. Dipping the toasted soldiers in the eggs to soak up the runny yolk. Massive memories, and I've not had it in tears. We'll make it for breakfast, thanks. Mac and cheese. Rice and lentils with mashed sweet potato. Add cilantro if you can stand it. Tuna casserole. Add your favorite veggies. Pasta. Creamy can of soup. Can of tuna and some cheese. Bacon. Voila! Cheap and easy, delicious meal that can feed 4 to 6. Or last for a few meals. Red beans and rice plus smoked sausage. I'm laying in bed at 3 a.m. and if I knew I had the ingredients I'd already be out of bed making it. Damn it. Just some straight rice with soy sauce. No clue why I could eat it 3x day. Cheesy grits with a lot of butter. Rice and beans. My mom said it was something she made when she was in college cause it was cheap. So one day she made it for me and my brother and it was so good. I make it to this day. Ramen is as cheap as they come and delicious. Not exactly healthy, so I don't want to eat it every meal though. Vegetables. A bun bowl. Rice noodles are insanely cheap where I am. And so are the crunchy toppings. Just noodles, lettuce and sauce. Fish sauce, or I sometimes do roasted sesame. Toppings like fried shallots or fried egg noodles optional. Don't even need the meat if you're super broke. Very customizable and completely delicious. Banh mi. Sushi from Food City. Ramen with Taco Bell sauce packets. Tastes like my poor college days. Grilled cheese. Chickpeas curry sauce rice. Less than $1 a bowl from the store. I buy the rice cups. Pre-cooked. Saves time. $6 curry sauce. Brand name truly Indian. It's organic even. $1 can any chickpeas. $2 for 4-minute rice. No refrigerator, can eat right out of the packages. No cooking required. Super yummy. Chicken over rice and eggs. Spaghetti bolognese with meatballs. Macaroni and cheese with veggies and runs. I have a dozen ways to make ramen too. Oh, chili as well. I grew up in a large family with little money. I learned how to make $20 a week, feed a family of 6. 7 if father wasn't deployed. Edited at congee, super cheap and super delicious. Microwave naked potatoes smiley face. I wanted to edit to change to baked, but naked is so funny. Cereal and milk. Lucky Charms and Frosted Flakes are my favorite. Sugar rice. Canned chili on top. A boiled hot dog and bun. Shakshuka. Where I live, we make it with only eggs and tomatoes with little bit salt, and black pepper is optional. Not for me lol. Spaghetti with browned butter. Topped with any cheese with enough flavor. Because I love Old Spaghetti Factory's spaghetti with browned butter and Mazzitra cheese. Costco's pizza, 1.99, or hot dog meal, 1.50. Tuna pasta. Just boil rigatoni, spaghetti or any other pasta. Strain it, add olive oil and add tuna. Bam! Delicious cheap meal. Black beans and rice. Canned chicken noodle soup with saltine crackers. Hell yeah! Cheddar goldfish are also great. Pasta and sauce frozen meatballs excellent as well. My favorite is a bread sandwich. Mac and cheese, add some chicken, broccoli, sriracha, salt and pepper, then you are set. French fries, taters, ramen and eggs. I could eat that shit all day. Cup of noodles with some spicy radishes from the container to add some heat. Per serving prop cost less than $1 or $2. Tuna and mayonnaise topped with stove-top stuffing and shredded mozzarella. Roasted veggies! Exclamation mark. Schnitzel with mashed potatoes. If you want meat, try pork steaks on the grill especially. They are typically half the cost of the cheapest beef. And they are always moist. French toast. All you need is bread, milk, eggs and maybe some sugar or cinnamon if you want it sweet. And you can fry it with oil or butter depending on what you've got to hand. It's so good. Since it's so sweet it feels pretty luxurious, but it's made out of the bare bones essentials you probably already have in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.